Okay, time for my Clarisonic review. I've been using it for about a week now, and I'm going to show you guys what comes in the box. Now, when you get your Clarisonic, you're going to get this, which is the actual handle piece, and then they also give you 3 gels. 3 different things for your face, but I don't use them because the Clarisonic is supposedly so good you can use it with whatever cleanser you have already. So I haven't tried any. I don't want to. I'm good. So you get that. You also get, this is your charging base. You put it on like this, plug it up, and when you first get it, you want to plug it up and charge it for 24 hours. And of course, I didn't listen to him when I received it. The night I got it, I went in the bathroom and started washing my face, and it shut right off on me. So you definitely want to charge it for that first 24 hours when you receive it. Now, after you charge it, it's supposed to be good for 30 days. Now, 30 days, that's at the 1-minute setting, because I changed mine to the 2-minute setting, and it lasted a week, which makes sense because I use mine twice a day. So twice a day, that's 14 uses at 2 minutes, which is the same as 30 days, once a day. Either way, look, it works out. So they're right. You can use it for, it's good for 30 uses, which is at a minute, or 14, 15 uses at 2 minutes. Whatever. I will say that since I started using it, that I have been breaking out. Now, I'm hoping that that's because it's getting into my skin and pulling up anything that's left in there. Because I've got breakouts in places that I don't normally break out, like my nose. I had little zits around my nose and on my forehead, like right here. I had one on my forehead, and like here, like I'm breaking out, and like right here too. So that's one thing I was scared about. So a lot of people that purchased it, or one person rather, she told me a lot of people that purchased it said, you know, they started breaking out and they didn't like it. So my thing is, I'm going to try it for the 30 days and see if I keep breaking out, or if after, you know, a certain amount of time I stop breaking out because everything that's down in my skin is finally out of there and it's going to stop getting clogged up. So hopefully that is the case, because if I'm going to keep breaking out using this thing, I'm taking it back and leave my shit in my pores, and I'll break out, you know, get one zit here, one zit there, not all over my damn face, because I don't like it right now. I don't like the fact that I'm having like all these little bumps on my face at the same time. You know, when you break out, you might get like a zit here, a zit there, but it's like every day I've been seeing different little bumps coming up on my face. I mean, every day it's a new one, but just as fast as they come up, they go away. I will say that. So hopefully that is the Clarisonic doing its job. As far as the soap that I use, you guys know I've been using my Cetaphil, and I will say that it does not give you a good lather with the gel, the daily gel cleanser that they have. And I've tried it both ways. I've tried putting it directly on the brush and putting it, you know, starting it on my face, and it doesn't really give me a good lather. I also tried like getting it nice and soapy on my face and then using this, and it doesn't work either. So I've been using the actual soap, the bar of soap, and I just rub the brush on there, and then I go to work, and that gives me a good lather. So it's like you kind of have to work with it and play around and see what's going to be really good as far as your soap. So the way it works is you turn it on. I have mine set on the 2-minute setting. So you turn it on, makes that noise, and the first set it's spitting out water because it's not dry. Can you guys see that? It's like water shooting out along here. So the first 20 seconds is going to be on your forehead. But being that mine is set for 2 minutes, it's going to be like 40 seconds on my forehead. That beep that just happened is telling you to move on to the next spot. So the next spot will be your nose and your chin. So basically, it tells you what to do. So this will be me cleaning my face down here. And then shortly, it should be telling me, okay, that's enough. Stop, move to another spot. So you start with your forehead. You see, it just went. So now it's telling me, okay, go to your cheek. And on the cheeks, it's only 10 seconds. So this will be me cleaning my cheeks. And then in ear, stop, go to the next cheek. And you do that. So basically, it tells you what to do and how long to do it for. So it's not really a guessing game, and it shuts off. So it's pretty simple. Only thing I've noticed is that the brush takes really, really, really long to dry. Like all day. Because I will use it in the morning. And then when I come home from work or whatever and I go to use it again, the brush is still damp. And like this, I used this morning when I went to the gym before probably like 12. And it's about to be 11 o'clock now and it's still wet. You guys saw the water shooting out. So the brush kind of stays wet. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. For me, I got 41 seconds. Okay, for me, I think the brush that comes with it, which is the sensitive brush, is a little too harsh on my face because when I first started using it, it didn't feel soft enough, so I might switch to the delicate brush. But I will definitely let you guys know what's going to happen in the next week. I'll keep doing a week-by-week update to see if anything changes. So first week, I'm kind of iffy because I'm breaking out, and hopefully that's just the Clarisonic doing what it's supposed to be doing. And I will check in with you guys again in another 7 days. So until next time, it's Miani. Keep rising. Peace. Oh, I got it.